Happy 4th of July. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and I'm here alone today, and I'm sure that you'll get this after July the 4th, but I do hope that you all had a happy 4th of July and you spent time with your friends and your family. And so today, I'm going to fix something that I've never made before. I'm going to try this. I have these, it's like pork chops, but they're called sirloin chops. Pork sirloin chops. I've never used them before, don't know what they taste like, but we're going to try them and see what they taste like. But first, I've got to cook these, and so I've got my big pan here. I've got them spread out in here, and I'm just going to put some seasonings on them. And you can use whatever you've got. These seasonings are ones that I have, and I'm gonna try them out. I've got so many seasonings that I need to use, and it's summertime, and this is going to be like a two-part. I'm going to bake these in the oven until they are done, which they're not going to be browned by baking them in the oven. So when they're done in the oven, I'm going to put them on the grill, and then I'll bring you back and show you what I'm going to do from there. The first thing that I have is I've got some saison, I think is how it's pronounced. And like I said, these are just whatever seasonings you want, you use. So I'm going to sprinkle this all over the chops, the sirloin chops. And probably some of these have the same spices in them, but whatever, we'll just use them. All right, now this one is Weber's Steak and Chop Seasoning. It smells good. And I know all these have got, well, this one has gotten hard. It's one of those that's soft. All right, I'm hitting it against the... All right, I hope I can get this to come out. Yeah, there you go. Not as... All right, let me bring you back. I need to get this unclogged. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I've fixed this so hopefully it'll come out. And like I said, this is the Weber Steak and Chop. Yeah, there you go. And I'm going to spread this all over these. And I'm not using any measurements, as you can see. I'm just putting whatever I want on here. Alright, so there's the second thing. What is wrong? Instant Pot. I got eggs in my Instant Pot, and it's steaming pretty bad. Like it's not, like it doesn't have a seal. I hope it does. Alright, the next thing that I'm putting on here is Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. So I'm going to put this on next. Alright, and then I'm going to put smoked paprika on them. That's going to turn them really a darker color. And I'm going to fill this up with water so the spices will be like floating around, but as they cook, it'll go into the chops. Well, these things, this one is full. I hadn't even opened it until just now. And it just doesn't want to. It's so full. All right. I'm having a very hard time with my spices today. Look, it goes up and doesn't want to come out. All right, so there we go with this. Like I said, I'll have water in it, so they'll all come to the top. All right, and the next thing I'm going to put is all-purpose Greek seasoning. All right, and then salt and pepper. And I gotta show y'all these. I have I got these salt and pepper shakers. You know that I use coarse ground black pepper and kosher salt usually. But in this one, I've got Morton iodized salt and then the coarse ground black pepper. And I found these salt and pepper shakers, well, it's just shakers, at Walmart for like 88 cents a piece. But they've got the big holes in them like I need so that the pepper comes out good and the salt comes out the right way. And I'm really, really tickled with them because I've been looking for some, but most of them only have like 1 or 2 holes, and I didn't want that. Just be careful with your salt because your salt does come out pretty fast. So, all right, now I'm going to fill these up, fill this pan up with water, and I'm going to put a couple pats of butter in there. And not margarine, but butter. I've got my oven preheated to 425. I'm going to cover these with aluminum foil, and I'm going to cook them for about an hour, and I will bring you back when they are done, and we'll go on to the next thing. Okay, I'm back. All right, we've had a thunderstorm, and so I'm not going to be able to put the pork on the grill, and so I'm just going to fix these here. You can see the chops right here, and this is one chop, and what I've done is I just cut it up with a fork and a knife, and I'm going to do this and I've cut these little things, and what I used was, I'm sure y'all see it all the time if you go to Walmart. They always have their bread. This is the sesame seed bread. This is baked in the store. So, and what I did was I've got Great Value spicy brown mustard that I can put on it, and I've got the chipotle aioli, and then I've got like other mustards in there that I also could put on there, but I'm going to try these and see what these taste like. So let me put the camera down so you can see. All right, I'm going to put a little chipotle on this side of the bread. And that's a little bit too much, but it'll be all right. I guess I'll just spread some on this side. All right, and then I'm also going to put the spicy brown mustard on there. And you can do these as open face and just do one side of the bread, but I'm going to do it with the 2 sides, and then I'm just going to, my hands are clean, I've washed them. I'm just going to put some pork on here. Pieces of it. And make a little sandwich. You also could toast this bread. I didn't do that, which I was going to, but nothing else has come out right today, so we're going to try this. All right. As you can see, there it is. All right, now let me taste this and see what it tastes like. Oh, wow. That is really good. Let me show you let me zoom in and show you the pork. There's a piece of the pork. That worked amazing with the spices the herbs and spices or whatever that I put in there. All of those, it's got just the right amount of heat. It's got the right amount of salt. This is really, really good. Let me see, how am I supposed to, oh, there it is. And see, you could brush the bread with some melted butter and put it on the grill and toast it a little bit, or you could put it in your oven with and toast it and do it like that. But you also, what you could do is make these slices of bread a lot thinner. And I guess it would be like a prosciutto if you do it open-sided. That is really good. I've never had this aioli before. It's J.L. Kraft Chipotle aioli, and it was up near the top shelf. And it was $2 something for that, where it was 88 cents for that. But this is made with real chipotle peppers. That is really good. It's got a really good taste to it. And this would be something definitely that you could do for a party or a get-together, is to make these little sandwiches like this. There's so many things you could do with it. You could use barbecue sauce, mayonnaise. Oh gosh, I just can't even describe to you how good this is. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also links to things that you can purchase on Amazon that I may use in my kitchen. And you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.